just have our Fritos that I put in my pre-made pie crust. Make sure that's nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some ground beef that I already cooked up, and we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top of those Fritos. I am making a delicious dinner for my family. It's super good. You just need a few ingredients, pop it in the oven, and it's delicious. It smells good, doesn't it?
I love ground beef.
Right? Well, I'm making it for you, so hopefully you like this.
Oh, thank you.
Does that look like enough?
That looks plenty, yeah.
Okay, great. So now we're gonna go ahead and season up our dish. I do this after I cook the ground beef because I want some of that taco seasoning on the Fritos as well. Just sprinkle it. You don't need the whole bag. We'll use about half of this little packet. It looks perfect.
And you got my favorite seasoning?
Yes, it smells so good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab some sour cream. I'm using the Daisy, but you can use the cheap stuff if you want. Get a nice scoop right on top, flatten that out.
You're just spreading it to the sides.
Yeah, exactly. And now we're gonna do another layer of ground beef. Just a quick one. Okay, because this didn't look full enough to me. What do you think?
Yeah, I do think having the layer of sour cream in between the meat is great.
Okay, perfect. And then finish it off with just a tad more taco seasoning. Great, and now you can skip this part because I know it's not everyone's favorite, but I'm doing some sliced olives. And we're just gonna put those right on top. Totally optional, but I personally love olives.
Yeah, just the flavor just adds it.
Yeah.
It just adds that extra oomph.
All right, now last thing we're gonna add is some Mexican shredded cheese. And we're just gonna sprinkle that on top and cover up the whole surface with our cheese. This is a delicious Frito pie.
Oh, duh.
Yeah, we're gonna have that crunchy Fritos on the bottom, the buttery pie crust, that seasoned ground beef, sour cream, and now the delicious cheese. Okay, just a little bit more.
I love extra cheese, you know that.
Yeah, perfect. That is it. Our Frito pie is ready for the oven. I have my oven set to 350 and we're gonna cook it for about 40 minutes. It's super quick. All right, this is ready. Oh, it smells so good.
Look at that.
Right? That cheese is perfect. Okay, we gotta top this off with some lettuce though. Just a nice layer on top of the whole dish. Get your vegetables in there. Make it a little healthy, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I see some dark greens in there.
Yeah. And then I also have some diced tomatoes that I'm gonna put on top. And this is just really gonna add and make it taste almost like a taco. Okay. Perfect.
I can't wait to see you just cut into this.
I'm so excited. This is gonna be so good. It smells amazing.
Cut into it. Oh, that crunch of the Fritos.
Yep.
Make sure you cut the pie crust all the way through.
Yep. Oh, those Fritos sound so good. Okay.
There we go.
Ooh. That looks so
I
good.
see the Fritos under there. Look at that.
We've got this little piece that fell off. Okay. Get some tomatoes on there and let's give this a try. The pie crust is cooked perfectly. Oh wow. It's just falling apart.
Oh, that nice crunch of the Fritos. Cool thing is the Fritos like keep its crunch.
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
So good.